Welcome to Latest Car Info, the place where passion meets precision. If you live and breathe the latest rides, cutting-edge car tech, and game-changing automotive design, you've just found your new favorite channel. Stay tuned because today, we're diving into the bold and luxurious 2025 Cadillac Escalade, the king of American SUVs, now reimagined with even more power, presence, and innovation. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade isn't just an upgrade. It's a full-blown evolution of everything Cadillac stands for: luxury, performance, and tech-forward thinking. From the first glance, this SUV makes a serious statement. The front fascia gets a more refined yet aggressive redesign with a wider grille, ultra-slim LED headlights, and strong vertical lighting signatures that highlight its height and dominance. The body lines are smoother, but bolder than ever, giving it a commanding stance that screams premium and power. Cadillac is offering new exterior colors, upgraded wheel designs up to 24 inches, and a fresh blackout styling package for drivers who want a meaner, more performance-inspired look. Whether you're in the premium luxury trim or going all out with the high-performance Escalade V, this SUV doesn't just show up, it takes over the road. Speaking of performance, under the hood, the 2025 Escalade delivers more than just power, it delivers options. The standard 6.2-liter V8 engine pushes out an impressive 420 horsepower, while an optional 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel offers torque-rich performance with better fuel economy. But the real showstopper is the Escalade V, featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that generates over 680 horsepower. That's not a typo. This full-size luxury SUV is faster than some sports cars, hitting 0 to 60 in just about 4.3 seconds. Cadillac's magnetic ride control and air ride adaptive suspension make the ride incredibly smooth, regardless of speed or terrain. Inside, the Escalade is more like a tech-filled luxury lounge than a typical SUV. The first thing that hits you is the jaw-dropping 38-inch curved OLED display across the dashboard. It's crisp, intuitive, and beautifully integrates your digital cluster, infotainment, and navigation all in one seamless panel. Cadillac has also enhanced the user interface for 2025, making it faster and easier to customize your driving experience. Luxury is everywhere you look. Premium materials cover every inch: hand-stitched leather, real wood, brushed aluminum, and available suede headliners. Seating for up to 8 passengers means no one is left behind, and the second-row captain's chairs offer VIP comfort. The third row is adult-friendly, with ample space and easy access. Need more room? Power folding seats make cargo management effortless. On the technology front, Cadillac has left no stone unturned. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a 36-speaker AKG studio reference audio system that delivers mind-blowing sound. The available night vision system and augmented reality navigation add a futuristic edge. And of course, Super Cruise hands-free driving now covers more roads than ever before. Safety remains a top priority with features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, blind zone steering assist, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree HD surround vision camera. The Escalade doesn't just pamper you, it protects you too. At its core, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle, a statement of excellence, and a symbol of how far modern luxury SUVs can go. Whether you're behind the wheel of the classic trims or the high-octane V-Series, you're getting power, tech, comfort, and presence wrapped into one unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching Latest Car Info. For more detailed reviews, futuristic cars, and honest insights into what's next in the auto world, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. We've got more premium